welcome to the new Quick Basic series. Today it's all about ketchup. In our family we are not big fan of ketchup, but sometimes it's needed when you have guests or when you want to use ketchup to make a sauce or to add to your burger. So I decided to show you how to make homemade ketchup. And for this recipe you will need a half cup of tomato sauce, like a marinara sauce, a quarter cup or 2 ounces of brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. So I will start by weighting my ingredients. I'm going to add everything into my Thermomix. So to weight my ingredient, I just go on my home screen and I'm going to slide this way. And now I can access all my special modes, and the scale mode is the first one. I'm going to tar my scale in case I have my lid on it. So I'm 0 right now, and I'm going to add my tomato sauce. Like this. Tar. I will add my 2 ounces of sugar. I will add my 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. There we go. And do not hesitate to double the portion so that you can have a whole bottle of your ketchup. Now I'm going to return to my home screen and I will blend this speed for 1 minute. So 1 minute. Speed 4. There we go. My ketchup is ready. Always feel free to add some spices in it. If you want to add some garlic powder, salt or pepper, you just can tailor the ketchup to your taste. I'm going to pour this now in a little jar and keep it cool in my fridge for the next moment I need it. There you go. Now it's time to make some fries. So I hope you are going to try this recipe at home. Let me know what you think about it. Follow me on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget to share this video and let me know how it goes and what do you like about this recipe. Bye!